should be there around 9 o'clock. But he's driving.
Which means we'll be there sooner.
Which means we'll be there in an hour. And it's 8 hours away.
If it's possible.
Chicago.
Here we come. Alright y'all, we are now 7 hours in, starving, and got about 3 more hours left to go. Oh, we have arrived. We are now in Chicago. Off to the bean. Alright, we are here at our humble abode till Tuesday. As you can see, we already kind of brought our stuff in already. Then we got obviously a closet. Pretty nice inside. I love that monkey.
An orchid that I grew in under an hour.
That's a pretty walk-in closet.
Look, I grew this very fast.
Oh, you grew that very fast instantly? Bathroom. Pretty nice bathroom. You got the
With
little frosted glass.
a good view.
Get away from me. Spare room that's pretty empty, but it's a pretty cool chalkboard. Looks like it is a little chipped right there, but that's okay. And a closet. A closet of, I don't know what, I'm assuming cleaning stuff for their cleaner that comes by. And this is the living area. So only one of us can sit here. Love this pot. Nice little plant, but the pot itself is very chipped and it kind of just needs a new one. And we got the kitchen. It came stocked with a couple snacks and goodies.
When life gives you lemon.
Guess
we're making lemonade. I see your list. We're leaving Chicago. Did you have a good time?
I did. Need to come I'm back again.
The city boy was in his element.